Hello black boxers, welcome back. This is Vicky. On today's video we'll see gold from the 6 months time frame to the 2 hour time frame. As you can see, this is a 2 hour time frame, and as you can see there is no sense at all. It does not make sense at all, right? Only this right there and right there makes sense, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the 6 months time frame. That's the god level. That is a god level. Look at this shit. This thing started like a snake and started bumped up, and then snake again, and then bumped up a little bit. Boom, supported, bumped huge. That's big time. And supported back again, pulled back, and that is never seen in the history of trading. Maybe in Bitcoin, but look at this shit, bro. What the hell is this? It is crazy. It is crazy. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. They delivered it to 2000, nearly 2000. And finally, this thing said, enough. Enough is enough. And then look what happened. One single candle dismissed everything. One single candle. That is crazy as hell, bro. Boom, smashed the downside, and look what happened. The black box started to appear. What does that mean? That means something is gonna happen. Most probably a reversal. A reversal. Most probably a reversal. So as you can see, this thing reversed again. Boom, smashed to the previous all-time high, and now look what happened. Crazy thing. It is crazy thing. So as you can see, this is where we are from 2020 up to 2024. That is 4 years of trading. So from 2020 to 2023, there was what? There was a consolidation. Gold was trading down and up and down and up in the black box, inside the black box. So black boxers are now thinking that, oh my goodness, I have a big time opportunity, bro. This is time to capitalize, bro. This is time to capitalize. So as you can see what happened here. This thing, we will consider after these three candles have been formed, this thing smashed to the upside, as you can see. Nailed it to the upside. So someone could buy this thing, believing that wicks are gonna be filled, right? As you can see, this thing smashed up. Then what happened? Smashed to the downside again. Someone again could sell this thing again because the consolidation of the black box is here, especially the bodies, right? Oh, so next in 2023, what happened? This thing smashed up again. Why? I told you that wicks are gonna be filled. Wicks cannot be left alone like this one. Boom, this thing smashed. Boom, this thing smashed up at least halfway, partially, and smashed down and finally filled it. This one right there at least partially filled it and went to this direction. This thing came back and covered this thing, as you can see it. Okay. And look what happened. It's the same thing up. This is long week. So we don't market doesn't leave this kinds of week. So we would expect that the next candle would be bullish. As you can see, this thing traded a little bit up. Let me zoom in. This is very interesting. As you can see, a little bit up and touched that thing. The wick a little bit and traded down, smashed. You could sell right there. Boom, smashed. Then stop loss should be hit because you are trying to close. And this thing, then what it do? It bought again. Then he buys that thing again. I told you to never enter more than 3 times. I mean more than 2 times, okay? Don't enter in one setup more than 2 times. That is a disaster. You can try it, but I don't recommend it, okay? I don't recommend it. And as you can see what happened here. This thing smashed up, made equal highs as you can see, and then finally collapsed down. And this thing traded down. Why? This is a support, a freaking support. That's a freaking support. And then this thing finally once and for all broke everything. It is time. So it said it is time. And this is God candle. This is a big candle. Boom. Smash this upside. And everything that comes back is just a pullback to move up. Everything that comes back is just a pullback to move up. Okay. So that's what happened. But in my previous video, trading gold on the 6 months time frame, I told you that this thing could come down and fill these weeks around here. Maybe this weeks. What I didn't realize is that the black box was located around here, not up there. What I did was I included the 5%, right? As you can see, this is a black box normally. Normally, this is a black box connecting every weekend, everything. As you can see, when you include the 5%, what will happen is you cover it. You give a space. You give a space. So I assumed that move is just a little poke. We don't count it. I've seen it many times that a little poke, we don't count that thing as a breakout. So what happened, what I said is that this thing could potentially come back because that is just a little poke, and then could be some kind of liquidity grab or to check out the sellers, right? The sellers putting their stop loss up there, or to find some higher prices so to sell that thing again for willing buyers, right? So as you can see, so this thing ended up being a pullback right there. So this was a support right there. The black box was exactly right there. Okay, this is not the black box. Black box is here, right? In this case, when there are a lot of long wicks, I told you to exclude them. Exclude them. Do not cover everything. When you see long wicks, just like this one, you do not cover everything. Okay, maybe halfway. I always say that. So this is a 6 months time frame scenario, right? Let's go to the 3 months or the lower time frame so that you can see what gold is gonna do next. Okay, so we already seen a breakout to the upside on gold, as you can see, which means we will be expecting gold to reach new higher prices. This is a black box right there. New higher prices like what? TP1 is hit right there. That's why this thing retraced. So right there was TP1, TP3 is right there at 2300, 23 and 40, 2340. Right there is the first TP right there. We'll put a marker, a line. Okay, we'll put a line right there. That is TP1. Okay, that's TP1. I mean TP3. I'm sorry. TP1 is already hit. That's why it pulled back on the 6 months time frame. So gold could maybe going to the 2300, okay, 2340. So the next gold target is 2340, okay, 23 and 40. Mark that shit. Mark that shit. Let's go to the 3 months time frame, anyways. The 3 months time frame, as you can see, it does not make sense. It is all crazy. It's all crazy. As you can see, this thing is moving like crazy. So upside to 2340. Okay, let's go to the monthly time frame. That's the 3 months, right? This is the monthly time frame, and this is what I wanted to show. Okay, let me be fast, and I'll be fast. So as you can see, what happened here? This is a real breakout. What you are seeing here is a real breakout. I told you to never connect long wicks. Long wicks are crazy, so don't connect them. Okay, they are bad. They are bad for the black box. They are a number one enemy for black boxers. So as you can see, this thing, this is a black box right here. If you can see it. So what happened here is this thing broke. That's where you buy that thing right there. Okay. riser is a buy opportunity riser. TP will be in this case around TP3 is around riser 0, okay, at 21, 22, almost 22, yes, 22. At 22, TP1 is at 22 for the monthly time frame. For the monthly time frame, it is at 22, okay. That is a black box setup on the monthly time frames for gold. When that thing started to break up, all you gotta do is, if you are trading intraday on the 4-hour time frame, uh, when you see it on the monthly time frame, when it starts to break, when it breaks out, go to the 4-hour time frame and buy that thing. You can buy that thing. And let's go to the weekly time frame. That is a monthly scenario right there. So you can see this is what the 6 months black box. This is what the monthly black box, and this is what the weekly black box, right? I was watching this thing, as you can see. I was watching this thing, and this thing broke. I was thinking, what the hell is going on? This thing is gonna blow us down to the because I saw that on the 6 months time frame, that is just a little box, so we don't want that thing. But in reality, it already broke out. Okay, it has already broken out to the upside, so we are bullish. So in this case, weekly black box is located right there. If you notice that thing, we got 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one broke. That is the third model right there. That is the third model. What is the third? Let me show you what the third model is. This is the third model. What you are seeing on the screen is the third model. What you are seeing on the screen is the third model. The first one is when we are bullish. The second one is when we are bearish. This is when we are bullish. This thing broke the downside. You say that thing stop. TP hit, stop loss down there, retrail it, then you are in. Boom. Then you buy again. Where exactly right there? I told you to never connect wicks. Those are crazy. You leave that thing. If they are, especially if they are one single, don't touch that thing. Okay, connect the bodies. Connect the equal parts, just like this. Bring it down. Bring it down. That's it. That's it. That's it. As you can see, this thing came down, and we wait for this break. Then you buy that. You buy that thing. Guys, that is the thing right now. So let me stop it. Let me stop that thing, and let's continue to our analysis on gold. So the weekly time frame, the TP1 was already hit. TP1 is already hit. TP3 is hit right there, and even before, that's why it is retracing. As you can see, this thing is what? It is retracing back. It's retracing back, okay? TP1 was exactly where? Let me measure this thing. It is crazy. You will be amazed. TP1 is roughly this candle's high, okay? This candle's high, okay? TP1 is this. The monthly time frames upper band of the black box. Monthly time frame black box upper band, upper lead is the TP1 for the weekly time frame. So you can see on the weekly also we had a beautiful sell and a beautiful buy. Okay, that's just amazing. That's just it's crazy. It's crazy. And look what happened right there. So let me delete that thing. And already TP is hit. And next, let's go to the daily time frame. Okay. On the weekly time frame, the third model happened. On the monthly time frame, real breakout, and on the 6 months time frame, real breakout. So we expect gold to run up and up and up and up until the 6 months time frame is hit. Okay, that is 2322. How much was it? Let me go up. Let's go up. This is the monthly time frame TP 2200, 1200, and the 6 months time frame TP is never to be found. What? It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. So this is a monthly time frame setup. Black box is a weekly black box, and this is a daily black box. What I wanted to show. So let us go back here. There was a black box, and what happened? That thing didn't break. Didn't break. Then what happened? That candle broke out. Right there is where you enter. Right there, right at that candle. That is where you enter. Buy that thing. Okay, you buy that thing. Buy that. This is a daily black box, right? This is a daily black box. Okay, you buy that thing. Right there, smashed up, supported, boom. In the next day, it smashed the upside. Smashed this upside, and more than TP3 has been hit. More than TP4. Even TP4 is there and retraced back down. So as you can see, continue moving up. This is a daily scenario for gold. Let's go to the 4H time frame. 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, there was nothing. As you can see, it was all crazy. It was all crazy. Right here, right there was nothing. Maybe on the 2-hour time, but in this case, there was nothing. Okay. So we didn't have any trades on there, but only there, right? The black box and the support that buy. Beautiful buy right there. Okay. That was a beautiful buy. Okay, that was a beautiful buy. There was no other setups here. When we go to the 2-hour time frame, the same thing up. Right there was a what? Right there was a little sell, and then finally ended up in the buy support, and then boom. As you can see, this is much upside. And then here we had a little sell again, and this thing support moved, supported the same thing, right? Boom. Smash to the upside. And here we have another setup here right now in real time, happening in real time. 1, 2, 3, 4. So look what I didn't connect the whole week. Nope. When that thing breaks above there, I will be buying. I will buy that thing, no questions asked. No questions asked. So this is the scenario for gold, because we have started our black box placement from the 6 months time frame. We are with the sharks. Okay, we are trading with the higher time frame flow, with higher time frame trend, which means if we buy, we are right. We will be very, very right, because as the higher time frame trend. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you, and this is what you gotta do. Just look to buy. Okay, look for a buying opportunity on using your gold. Okay, using the black box. If no black box, just run. Just run. Throw everything and run. Or find another currency. Okay, there are a lot of currencies, more than 40 of them. So you'll never run out of it. Maybe the spreads can be a little wide. They are wide, yeah. The chef pairs, especially, they are wide. They are very wide. So thank you for watching almost 20 minutes. So I hope you have found some value in these videos. If you have any comments, just comment down below, and I will make some improvements. If you want me to do a live stream, I will do a live stream on Twitch. But on YouTube, it is very, very difficult, because I don't know. It just keeps disconnecting, and I lose everything. I mean, I lose what I have recorded, and then I have to again start the live stream, and that is not good. That is not good. So maybe on Twitch I will do something, some streaming. So I'll see you next time. So thank you for watching. Black Boxers, peace out.